Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both apps and accounts ready. Install Google Pay and sign in, then add the card you want to use. Once done, make sure your iPhone X is updated to the latest iOS and that NFC is enabled in settings. You should also add the same card to Apple Wallet when possible. This ensures contactless terminals accept your payment. This step reduces compatibility friction and lets you switch quickly between Google Pay and Wallet when making payments. Next, you configure how payments are authorized and verified. Go to Settings, choose Wallet and Apple Pay, and set your default card for Tap to Pay. Then verify the card. Your bank might send an SMS or ask you to authenticate in their app. Follow that prompt so the card is activated. You should enable Face ID or a secure passcode to approve payments and set any Google Pay passcode if offered. These steps protect your funds and prevent accidental charges. To pay, double-click the side button to invoke Wallet, authenticate with Face ID, then hold the top of your iPhone X close to the contactless reader until you see Done. If the terminal rejects the payment, try switching your default card or rebooting the phone. Sometimes re-adding the card resolves token issues. Make sure your wallet shows the card is active and your iOS is current. If problems continue, contact your bank to confirm merchant acceptance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.